Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome to our AgriGyan channel. Now we are going to meet the one of our IAR top ranker in one of the subject of our ICR examination. So her name is Neha Kumari. It's our honor and it's our privilege for welcoming you here, ma'am. Please welcome and once just please introduce about yourself. From where are you and from which university you have completed your undergraduation BSc Agriculture and which rank you have scored on which subject and also now where are you pursuing your MSc Agriculture, please, ma'am?
Okay. I am Neha Kumari Mondal. My domicile state is West Bengal, and I have completed my graduation from Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, West Bengal. And my rank in JRF Horticulture 2020 is ARF 4, and my category rank is SC1. And now I am continuing my MSc in Vegetable Science in IRI New Delhi campus.
Wonderful, ma'am. Great to hear you. Great for having you here. So, ma'am, firstly, we want to know how come you cracked this examination? I mean, how was your study strategy? How you actually focused on your studies? From when you have started your preparation for this examination? And how was your study strategy, complete timetable, and how many hours you have spent and everything, please, ma'am?
I have started my preparation from the beginning of the fourth year, and I have started with basic horticulture book, and then I read the Gloucester's horticulture book. This is the Gloucester's horticulture book. You can see here, and I also read the Eastern horticulture book with that, and I also prepare some points from the Handbook of Horticulture. This is the book, which is a ICR publication also. And this year, 9 to 10 questions have come from the horticulture book. It has two portions actually. Um, this is volume 1, and this is the volume 2. And I saw many objective books like Hadda, Deshach by Floriculture, and Treasure Fruit Science for Fruit Science, Objective Horticulture, etc. etc. And I try to give many tests in WhatsApp and many aggregate tests also. That helps me very much. That is all about my preparation strategy.
Wonderful, ma'am. So, ma'am, can you also please suggest us only this horticulture books or anything more for us to study or for reference or general agriculture books? Any more to refer, ma'am?
Yes, for general agriculture, they can read the Sunda book, but this year the question pattern is changed, and this year I observed that there is very less question from Sunda like book. So if they want to score good in general agriculture, they should read some more, like Katayon or something more. The Sunda is not enough for this time because
Oh,
this time question is hard.
okay, ma'am. And also, can you please say us, ma'am, how was the question paper actually? On which concepts or on which topics it was based more? And what was the difference between the previous question papers and this question paper? And how was your experience with the examination? From that, can you please suggest us or aspirants, please, ma'am?
Yes, this year the question paper is totally changed. As we can see before, uh, up to 2019, more and more questions are come from the previous year question paper or the objective book. But this time the pattern is totally changed. There is many statement type questions, and there is many matching type questions. That is very new to us, and there is also in the matching type questions for answering properly you have to know the both sentence, not only one statement one or statement two, and so the pattern is changed. And you have to give concentration on the development of your basic knowledge, because memorizing is important in horticulture, but not only memorizing is sufficient. Developing some basic concept is as important as memorizing.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Wonderful, great message you have given to us. So, ma'am, is this what all books you have showed now? Are this complete book list of all the exam? Is this a complete book list of what we need to actually prepare for our examination, or any more books to refer, ma'am, or is this only the complete book list?
No, this is not the complete book list. So for as the question paper is now changed, for developing the basic knowledge, you have to start with basic horticulture. Then you have to read some books of vegetable science by Thamburaj and Dising, etc. Then you should read Gloucester's, and you should also read the Essence Horticulture, which is a very good book, because here many genetic related points are also included, which is not given in other books. And if you get extra time, you can also read the many high level book like Hariaram book for many genetic concept development, etc., and solve more and more objectives in Telegram, in WhatsApp, or any other app. Like you can give the Agrigan app tests.
Yes, ma'am. Wonderful. And ma'am, we also want to know what's your main source for our mock test? What was the main source where you used to refer for attempting all the mock tests? Any websites or anything to clarify your doubts, otherwise attending mock test, everything and all?
I generally used to give the mock test, and I joined the Agrigan group of WhatsApp, and then I give the mock test.
Wonderful.
In Agrigan app.
Yes, also says how our Agrigan has helped you for achieving your rank, and how completely is this your support?
Yes, Agrigan helped me in many ways. I want to share the one point that I don't read the handbook of horticulture before, but during the preparation, when I gave the Agrigan mock test, I found that many questions are from handbook of horticulture, and for that Agrigan test, I bought that book and started to read the handbook of horticulture. And in the JRF exam, I found that very helpful, because many questions come from here handbook of horticulture. That's why this Agrigan have helped me.
Wonderful, ma'am. So, ma'am, according to your experience, can you please suggest our aspirants who are preparing at present or those who are going to attempt our examination, how can they use our Agrigan for their preparation, as our Agrigan is working much hard to help them in their studies? So, what can you suggest for our aspirants, please, ma'am?
I will suggest that give the Agrigan test for conquering more knowledge in horticulture and in other subject also. I think it is very useful app, and in many questions, Agrigan app also provide the explanations, which is very good for understanding also.
Wonderful, ma'am. Thank you, and thank you so much. And also, finally, we want to know the last thing, that when all you have started the preparation for this horticulture ICAR JRF examination, and in a day, how was your timetable? How many hours you used to spend for particularly preparing this subject, ma'am, for our examination SER?
I have not a proper timetable, but I used to read generally 3 to 4 hours before months, but before 2 or 3 months of JRF, I used to read more and more, like 6 to 7 hours on a day, and sometimes more than that also. And
wonderful, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So that your and your hard work that made you reach till here, and also to guide and motivate according to your experience to all our aspirants. Wonderful, ma'am. Great talking to you. Thank you so much for your valuable time.
Thank you.